We have dense paint on our shelf. Today we're going to use these beautiful accessories to apply our new paint on this testing wall. We're also going to do 2 coats to cover 100%. This is a 15mm nap from Oldfields Pro Series roller cover.
Yep.
Wooster extension.
PaintAccess brush, Uni-Pro spray.
Very important point. It has this nice lips or whatever.
So easy to just, when you smack it, it comes off in one, which doesn't happen often.
And of course Rokset Pro. Cool. Thank you. Now we'll start doing it.
Hey guys, so in the bottom of the pole there's actually a grip tip. So it's screwed in and you just literally unscrew it because these actually just fit the Wooster frame. But if you're using any other frame, you literally just clip it on like this and then you're good to go. If you're ever using a Wooster frame, you just unclip and then just screw it back into the bottom.
That's pretty cool. Thank you, Harriet. Okay. So now we are opening dense paint. Self-priming, mold-resistant, low VOC, easy to spray, interior, exterior, great coverage. That's nothing like this on the market. Have a look how thick it is. We're going to a bit of a mix. It's like a gel. When you're mixing, it's gonna be better, but it's when it stays for a minute, it's going to like gel. So it's a new technology. Everything ready? Pretty cool. Okay guys, now we are continuing. As we mentioned, we're going to apply on this testing wall 2 coats to see if we can cover these 2 coats of the dense paint. On the brush, Harriet will roll it.
Sure will.
Oldfields, the roller, and let's go. Have a look on this coverage. I think it's amazing. The texture is minimum, and it's a. We'll see if we can cover with the 2 coats these black walls. You remember how it was? It was really dark and black. Okay, guys. Now we've just painted with 1 coat. It wasn't really dry, but it's like medium coat. But we'll see if we can actually do really magic with the 2 coats to cover completely. Don't forget, dense paint, self-priming, mold resistant, low VOC, easy to spray, interior, exterior, great coverage. Nothing like this on the market.
We haven't sanded the wall, don't forget. It's not about the finish, it's just about the coverage. So
look at another. Yeah, that's right. It's not about finish. It's about coverage. Yeah. And look, we don't feel any smell. Like it's just like you're in a room with anything. So this paint doesn't smell. Guys, we are continuing. So we've done our first coat. It's gonna be second one. And as we mentioned, it's an Oldfields Pro Series rod, 15mm net, Rokset tray, super handy. Uni-Pro, that's amazing new frame. Extension from Wooster, super cool. It's a Boris Das brush, Boris Das, sign up for Boris Das for sure. It's very cool software, coming soon. Dense paint, don't forget, it's a self-priming, mold resistant, low VOC, easy to spray, interior, exterior, great coverage. Nothing like this on the market, guys. We sell for 149, GM for a better price. Let's do it. I'm gonna cut with the brush. So fingers crossed we're going to cover this black wall with the 2 coats. It's gonna be phenomenal. I'm not applying super thick, I'm just going medium to still, you know, like apply to leave very good texture, so it's not. And as a sample we left here, so how it was, see, all this wall was blank. Guys, as we mentioned, if you want to try, come to Metroville, and it's gonna be always roller in a tray. And if you wanna try this paint, it's 24/7. You can come at evening, you can come in the morning, please. And that's super cool paint.